about to drop the hammer and dispense some indiscriminate justice.
Alright everybody, welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. I'm Christopher Bell, certified public accountant, long-term boglehead investor, author of the book Stop Being a Broke Loser. It's on Amazon for $3, and hater of Tesla stock shills that are going to destroy your future with their terrible advice. Now, this isn't a video that is bashing Tesla, okay? Is it a cool company? Sure. Is it massively overvalued, in my opinion? Yes, it is. But this is not a video to bash Tesla. What I'm going to bash is this guy called Solving the Money Problem, who has 95% of his portfolio in Tesla. Now, he made a ton of money on Tesla because he bought Tesla stock at a cost basis of $89 per share. And now it's like, what, 700 something? Here's the problem. It doesn't matter how well a stock has done recently. You never, ever, ever let any stock become more than 5% of your portfolio. Because what happens is, if you let a stock like Tesla run and become 95% of your portfolio, and you refuse to sell because you're so brainwashed by past performance, that you just think that's going to keep going into the future. If you refuse to sell and something happens to that stock, you're going to lose a lot of freaking money. So I implore you, if you're listening to this guy's a maniac. If you're listening to him and you bought Tesla when it was really low cost and now it's up to 700 something post-split, take your freaking profits. Do not let this stock become the vast majority of your portfolio. Now, this guy is so deluded that he will not hear any negative information about Tesla. If you look at all his videos, which we'll do in a second, all he does is talk about this company because his entire net worth is basically wrapped up in Tesla. So there is no possible way that he could ever imagine this stock crashing or staying flat for the next decade. Because if it does, then he's going to be hurting. Or, well, he's not going to be hurting, but you know, he's not going to be as wealthy as he thought he was going to be. So this is his reveal portfolio. It was January 21st, 2021. And yeah, he had 95.43% of his portfolio in Tesla with a cost basis of $89.49 per share. Now, here's one thing I noticed. This guy is already wealthy. And how do I know this? Look at how much he invested in Tesla. You probably can't see it, but his initial investment in Tesla is $485,000. That's a lot of freaking money for somebody that seems like he's like in his late 20s. This guy's getting his money from somewhere. Either he inherited money or he's like some kind of businessman. He invested a ton of money in this company. Now, if you're somebody that's wealthy and you're able to just invest almost $500,000 into a stock, cool, go ahead and do it. But if you're an average person and you're listening to this guy, who's wealthy and probably can absorb the loss if Tesla stays flat or goes down. If you're listening to this guy and you put all your money in Tesla and all the gains have already been made, potentially, you're going to be hurting in retirement. You're going to have a very hard time being able to retire. Just think about it logically. Just really think about it. Is there a possibility? Is it possible that Tesla may not continue to grow in stock price like it's done before? If the answer is yes, you may want to consider trimming your Tesla holdings. Because if you are wrong, and I am right, and I think Tesla's overvalued, if I am right, you're going to get wrecked, and you're not going to be able to retire. If you're right, great. That's fine, whatever. But what are the chances that you're right and that Tesla is going to continue to grow and grow and compound and compound? If you think it's 100%, go right ahead. Put your entire portfolio in Tesla. But I assure you, you're probably going to get hurt pretty badly. Especially listening to a guy like this, who's already wealthy, apparently, $485,000. Where the heck did he get that from? And he's got 95% of his portfolio in Tesla. Now, if you go look at his videos, let's see. We're going to go through. So he's got what? 202,000 subscribers. Literally all you have to do is YOLO into Tesla and just talk about it constantly. You're going to be huge. Now, I mean, just look at all his videos. Is Tesla stock overvalued? I say it's dirt cheap. Well, he talks about Nikola here. Tesla stock will pay dividends. Tesla's insanely gigantic, mind-boggling, blah, blah, blah. $12 trillion opportunity. Tesla stock to 4,200. I mean, this guy is all in on this stock. And if you're watching him, and if you just believe everything he says, and let's say you have a diversified portfolio and you sell out of it to put your money in Tesla, I think you're making a very, very big mistake. Never, ever, ever let any stock be more than 5% of your portfolio. If you want to have Tesla, put it in 5% of your portfolio, put the rest in total world stock market index funds. That's fine. But do not listen to this guy. Do not follow his example of putting 95% of your portfolio in one stock, because you're going to get screwed. This guy is wealthy. He makes YouTube ad revenue. He was able to invest almost $500,000 in this stock. You're not. And if you're wrong, you're going to get crushed and you're never going to retire. You're going to be selling your butt down at the truck stop. So that's my thing on this guy. Do I think he's like a terrible person? I mean, I don't really get vibes of him being a total scam artist. I think he really just believes in the company, which, okay, that's fine. I mean, I'm not going to dump on him too much. But I think he's doing a terrible disservice by simply talking about one stock and basically enticing his followers into putting all of their money into one company that already had a massive run-up. Because the risk that you're wrong is catastrophic. Anyway, that's it. I wouldn't listen to this guy. I would unsubscribe from him. I'm subscribed so I can track him. Solving the money problem, you need to sell your Tesla stock, bro. You need to diversify. Maybe some VT, maybe some more VT, maybe, yeah, just VT, okay? That's it. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me, and have a wonderful, delicious day.